Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to shrink a volume and create a new partition in Windows 11. In case you have a bigger partition and you want to split it, then click on this one start button. Then type here disk management. In the search results, click on this one create and format hard disk partitions option. This will open disk management window. Select the partition you want to shrink and then right click on it. Select this one option shrink volume. Specify the size in MB you want to shrink. Then click on this one shrink button. This will shrink and create a unallocated space for you. To make it as a partition, right click on the unallocated space. Select here new simple volume option. Then click this one next button. Set the size in MB you want to create a partition and then click on this one next button. Windows will automatically assign a free letter. In case you want to change it, click this one drop down menu and select a partition letter according to your choice. Then click on this one next button. Leave these details by default and click this one next button. Click this one finish button. In a few seconds, you will see a new partition has been created on your Windows 11 PC, and you can find this one partition in your this PC, or you can say File Explorer.